In today's video, guys, I'm going to quickly share with you guys this powerful price action strategy that you are going to use to catch multiple spikes and trade boom and crash traditionally. All right, if you can see my chart right now, you can see what is going on right here. Whatever that gives me this audacity to open multiple positions here, you can see the lot size that I'm using here. All right, even though crash 1000 is not that volatile, but if you can see this lot size, you can see multiple positions that I opened here, and you can see how the spike is going. All right, so now you can see that just to help you guys, this particular information that I want to share with you guys here is actually one of my mentorship program information, but I've decided to share this particular one with you guys again today, so that you will at least capitalize on this and make a lot of money for yourselves. All right, so now one more thing before I dive fully into this particular video is the fact that if you actually want me to actually show you the conferences that I use before opening any positions, all you just need to do is for you to use the WhatsApp number that I'm going to leave in the description box of this particular video that we are about to watch right now, to reach out to me that you want me to mentor you and share with you the information, the conferences that I do use or I do look out for before I open any boom and crash trading, whether I'm catching spikes or I'm trading it traditionally. All right, so now if you look at this here, guys, all right, if you look at this particular chart right now, you will see that you do not see any indicators, because most of you guys have been asking which indicator is best for you to trade boom and crash. And if you just want to be a professional trading boom and crash only, always rely on what I'm going to share with you guys here. And if you want me to share the conferences, just as I said earlier on, all you just need to do is for you to reach out to me that you want me to share with you guys, probably the conferences that I look out for before opening any position in boom and crash. So now this is it here, guys. All right, it's all about price action. Price action is the king in any pair that you find yourself trading. All right, so all you just need to do is for you to work on yourself and always obey your strategy, obey your instructions, obey whatever you have given to yourself as the instructions that you should or you must be following before opening any position. Obey all those rules before you can make anything first. So when it comes to price action trading, most of you guys do not understand what they are talking about. So just to help you rectify this, I am just going to add two indicators, which is moving averages, to this particular chart, so that it will help you understand where you are. All right, so now the first thing that you need to know is, if you want to be catching spikes on boom or on crash 1000, any of the crash indices, you first of all need to understand that that particular crash or that particular boom that you are trading is heading to the opposite direction. All right, so what I meant by that is this: in the terms of me catching spikes on crash 1000 here, I've checked or I have analyzed my chart on higher time frame, and I found out that this crash 1000 is trending downward. By default, crash is supposed to be buying, but in this scenario, with all my analysis, crash indicates that it's selling. So that was the reason I have the confidence and the audacity to open these multiple positions. And you can see what is going on already on the chart, that this particular pair has been crashing down. All right, that is the first thing that you need to look out for. First, notice if the pair is trending up or down, and this, how you are going to know that, is what I'm going to do for you right now by adding this indicator. You go to this indicator tab here. All right, let me pick this. You go to this indicator tab. Once you click on this indicator tab here, you click on this add indicator, click on this moving average here, guys. All right, click on this moving average. Once you click on it, you are going to add moving average 100. All right, you are going to add moving average 100. Your correct that. If your own is on that default mode, correct it to 100. It must be an exponential moving average, guys. All right, you click exponential, you click save, you choose color of your choice or the color that you'll be able to identify. You click save, then you go back again, you click on the same moving average again, add another indicator there, which is the same moving average. You click on the same moving average here again. Once you click on this moving average, now this is the time that you're going to change this 100 to 50. All right, you are going to change it to 50, exponential as well. Then this color, change it to color of your choice. You click save. That is the two moving average that you are going to add to your chart right now. So now, after adding these two moving average to your chart, now before I proceed, let's just go to this current state of this pair right now. You can see that this particular price action here, or this price action, they are all below this our moving average that we just set now. This is for those of you that do not know when the market is trending upward or market is trending downward. That was the reason I used these two moving average, so that you'll be able to understand, okay, whenever the price is below this particular moving average, it means this market is not trending upward. If it is crash, it is trending downward. All right, and the same thing applies to boom. If the price is not below, if you want to say boom, and if the price is not below this particular moving average, it means you are not going to say boom. Why? Because boom is an uptrend at that moment. Always get that straight. If you do not understand anything, make sure to ask me questions in the comment section, and I will definitely respond to your questions. So now, this is how it works. Let me probably use the typical example of what is going on here right now to analyze this chart to you guys. Now you will look at this particular place here. First thing first, you will see that we had a break of structure at this zone here. Look at this here. We had a break of structure at this particular zone here. So once you have a break of structure like this, it means you are going to watch out for what is going to happen. Now look at another break of structure here. All right, look at another break of structure here. All right, now if you look at this here, whenever you start seeing break of structure to the downside, it means that the market is now selling. The market is now bearish. If it is the pair, or if you are looking at that market to start buying, you cannot buy market that is breaking structure to the downside. You can only buy the market that is breaking structure to the upside. So now that this market is breaking structure to the downside, this means that what we confirmed or what we saw on our higher time frame is actually aligning with what we are seeing currently. All right, so now this is how it works. You can see that this is the first break of structure here, and if you look at this here, if this is the first break of structure whereby the market is supposed to retest on this place and start going back up, but the market disrespected this structure and break down, showing us the break of structure, are you just going to start selling from this particular place, or because the market has breaking structure? No, you are going to wait. And what are you going to do? You locate this particular the last bullish candle. Since is breaking structure to the downside, you locate the last bullish candle that caused this break of structure, which is this here, which you can as well call it origin. Then this is where you're going to mark. You wait patiently, no matter how long it's going to take you. Wait for this. If the candle is like this, wait for it until the price pulls back from this place that it has dropped to that bus. Once price get to that bus, that is when you are going to sell this market again, and you see what happened. It break again beyond where it stopped before. That is exactly how it works. Then you can look again and you will see this particular one here. You see another break of structure here. Look at this here. Look, this is the second break of structure here. And as soon as this structure happened, what happened? This is the origin, the last bullish candle before that structure was broken. Then you can see the reason I started adding these positions that you are seeing here. You can see that here. I have other conferences that I use, and which I said earlier on. If you want me to share more or throw more light into that, or if you want me to share the exact conferences that I use in opening my position when I'm catching spikes or trading boom and crash, all you just need to do is for you to use the WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and let me know that you want me to mentor you, and I will definitely do that gladly to help you out and make money from this. Now, that is exactly why I see, or that is exactly what I saw here that made me open these multiple positions here, and you can see what is going on right now. So now, if you want to buy as well, this is what you need to do here. All right, you can see that we had this break of structure here. All right, we had this break of structure to the downside, and if you look at this particular moving average here, you will see that the price has gone beyond this moving average. That is, the price is above this moving average before it crashed back to this place. So now, what are you going to do for the fact that you know that this price is already above this place before it crashed here, which is it came back here to correct this movement? So what you are going to do is this. Since this is what you are looking for, this is a break of structure. Since the market is selling, or the market is bearish, or the pair is bearish for the day, this is what you are looking for. You have seen that this has broken structure to the downside. Now what you need to do is for you to locate that particular origin that caused this, which is this particular one here. All right, let me move this a little bit. All right, this is the origin here. Let me bring it. This is the origin that caused that break of structure here. All right, so you map it this way. Now what you are going to do is this, right? What you are going to do is this. Wait until the market starts going up. All right, so probably this is the last place that the market stopped when it break that structure. Now if you mark this ending here, if you map this ending, waiting for price to take out this particular small bullish candle here, and price crashed again, keep on marking this, keep on mapping out this. All right, map both the wicks, guys. All right, map both the wicks. Do not leave any stone unturned. So once you do that, wait for price. If price moves a little bit, price must come back to that particular thing that you mark. If you really want to start heading back to this. All right, if you really want to start heading back to this, price must definitely do something like this. And you can see, if you're on my mentorship program, you will understand that there is this part of the class that I talked about this W formation. You can see that price has given us this W formation, and as soon as you spot this kind of thing, it means once price comes back to this particular place that you marked here, that is when you are going to buy this market, because already it has given you that confirmation. But if you don't want to buy from this zone, please listen carefully. You can only buy from this zone if you understand what is risk management, if you understand how the market works. But if you do not understand how the market works, always allow it to take out this neckline here, which is this particular one, if you want to really buy. But if you want to exercise patience for the market to get to this place before you start doing anything, do exactly that and stick to your plans. All right, that is exactly how you are going to trade all these pairs and make money. If you deviate from your plans, you deviate from your rules, there is no way you are going to make money, because already it's showing or it's indicating that you are impatient. You cannot wait for setup to mature. So now wait for the price to take out this neckline. Once price takes out this neckline, now price must definitely come back to this neckline to retest. This is when you are going to enter the trade as probably whatever you are, and you are targeting somewhere here. All right, which is this our zone here. That is where you should be targeting if you must buy. And for you to do all these things, when you are going to do all these things that I'm talking about here, should be when you saw that the market is probably buying. All right, if you analyze for the day and it sees that this pair is trending upward for the day, that is exactly when you're going to implement all these things that I talked about right here. But if the market is on a downtrend, which is bearish, you do not need to capitalize on this except you know what you're doing. If you do not know what you're doing, don't try to do this. Always wait for your setup to come, which is you wait for this pullback, no matter how many days, no matter how many hours it takes it to come back here. That is when you should be expecting to take any action. And as you can see, based on this price breaks from above here to come back to give us this, showing us that the overall trend of this pair is bearish. That was the reason after going up here, it break below this moving average here to give us break of structure in lower time. This is lower time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. Do not forget that I've analyzed this chart on higher time frame. So that is the the idea that this pair is giving you, that okay, do not forget that this pair or this specific pair is trending downward, is not upward. So this is a mini uptrend. So that was the reason when this happened here, when this break of structure happened here, you can see that the market moved back up to just correct that same thing. All right, to correct that same thing. So you can see it now. You can see it here. This is where we are. You can see it here that after that, if you have bought at this zone here, you would have hold at this to this level, and holding how many candlesticks here, you have made a lot of money. Do not be greedy when trading crash. All right, so that's exactly what I wanted to share with you guys here. And as you can see, I didn't close this position here, all because I know for sure that it's going to still drop again, because already it has given me some kinds of candlestick setup here that gives me extra layers that this particular pair is going to sell. All right, it's as simple as that. So if you do not actually know what you're doing, you'll be freaked out to close this position, and you wouldn't have the liver to open all these things. That is exactly how all these things work. So if you want me to mentor you and show you or share with you guys how you are going to trade these pairs, you can see what I'm talking about. You can see that it just spiked right now. All right, that is exactly what we are talking about. You can see it right now. It just spiked right now. So it's going to continue spiking like that until I'm contented with what I have and I will close it. That is exactly how it is. That is exactly how you are going to be milking these pairs on the reef without any losing your money to the market and all that. All right, so now what I'm saying in essence is this: because most of you guys like free things, you do not want to pay. There is no way you keep on watching different YouTube videos and you expect to have the result that people that enrolled on mentorship programs have. Come on, you just have to be realistic here. Do the right thing. It must not be me to mentor you. Please do not misunderstand me. It must not be me to mentor you. All you just need to do is for you to find that mentor out there, that person out there that you look up to, or you understand how he or she trades, and contact that person so that the person will put you through on how all these things work, so that you will start making money. I've shared a lot of information with you guys here for free, and all you just need to do right now for you, if you're watching this video, is for you to share this video so that it will get to others that are also struggling on how to make money trading. And I believe that you are struggling to how to trade boom and crash. That was the reason you clicked on this particular video. So do me that favor and share this video with others as well, so that they too will learn the same thing that you are learning right now and understand how it works. There are many informations that I've revealed to you guys here, and you cannot keep those informations within yourself or keep it to yourself alone. If I have to keep it to myself, I would have kept it to myself and also be sharing with only my students alone. But I'm just doing this just to assist as many as I can. So do me that favor and do the same thing to others. And also do not forget to like this video, give this video thumbs up as well, so that this video will get more viewers and understand how they are going to pave way for themselves. Do not forget to use the WhatsApp number if you want me to mentor. And I'm also going to leave the link to my books in the description box of this particular video. Do well to pick a copy of those books and go through it. It will definitely open your eyes to see more about all these things. And also, the link to my Telegram channel is going to be in the description box of this video as well. Do well to join the free Telegram channel. You will gain a lot from doing that. Signing out, Olites. Peace.